Hello everyone, welcome to my first tutorial on Photoshop. Um, I'm going to show you how to make a few simple animations. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6. This will be slightly different in older versions. If you like this version of Photoshop, send me a private message and I'll see what I can do. But to the actual tutorial now. This is a bit different than CS5. CS5, you go to Window and then Animation, but that's not here. What you do in this one is, you click Timeline. It should already be down here, Timeline. Don't click Create Video. Scroll down and click Create Frame Animation. And then click. And there you go. Alright, I'm going to show you two different types of, let me unlock this layer. Two different types of animations. The glowing effect and that light effect that goes through text. Now first, let's go with, they're both fairly simple. Let's go with this one. Lighting effect. Obviously that's very small. I'm going to fix that momentarily. Alright. Now then. Oh, I spelled effect wrong. That doesn't look professional at all. Alright. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to have some light go right through this. How we're going to do that is create a new layer. I believe that's it. Yep. Sorry, I'm getting kind of used to CS6 myself. And you can use a number of things. What you're going to do is like a light like that, except you're probably going to want it to be white, in this, unless your text is white, in which case it'd be black. Alright. Let's change that color. You know what? Let's have a red glow go through it. There we go. Straight line. Maybe make it a bit bigger. No. There we go. Alright, I'm going to change the opacity down a little bit. Get it look a tad bit nicer. I'm going to do something called, let's see here, clipping mask. Oh, no, actually don't do that yet. For the clipping mask, here's the first frame down here. It should already show up like this. Click this button. That adds a new frame. And you see they're both the same thing, but they're like two different pictures entirely. You can change them. Go to the second frame. Make sure you're on the second frame, and make sure they say 0. Take your move tool, move this over here. See? Click. They're different. Now I'm going to go up here, create a clipping mask. As you see, totally gone. Now, let's go right here. Click this. We're going to go in here and use something called the tween tool. Bunch of little circles. And we're going to make sure it's previous frame. We're going to change that to 15. Enter. Now go down here, hit play. You see that? It's going to automatically repeat, obviously, but you can make that go slower or faster. Here, let's make it go a bit slower. You could add more frames, and that'll make it go slower. Or you could just increase the time on the bottom. Now then, now that we know how to do that, let's step back a few. We want this text to glow. Alright, now I'm going to show you a simple glowing effect. Alright, let's go to blending options. Oh, I'm sorry. Leave it like it is. Add another layer. Simple as that. And these two. Go to the second one. Blending options. Where is it? Outer glow. Seems they changed this around a little bit. And so that's noticeable because it's white, a white background, and obviously you can't see. Let's make it red. Red. Still not noticeable for some reason. Here, just one moment here. Get rid of that. Let's try a different colored background here. Oh my god. Sorry. It's tad bit confusing. 3D material. I'm gonna have to look into that later. Alright. Sorry about that. It wasn't showing up very well on the white background. Outer glow. There you go. Now it's showing up. I don't know. Let's just go like that. And that. There. I know it looks like crap, but this is just for tutorial purpose. Now look at that. You change. Go to the tween tool. Add however many frames you like. And play. Obviously that's a very slow lighting effect, and you probably want to speed it up, which you can do by adding less frames. Now then, let's say we want to glow in and then glow out. What we're going to do is, we're going to add one more frame right at the very end. Right at the very end. What we're going to do is, we're going to go to blending options again, and get rid of our outer glow. And then click OK. Now what we're going to do is, click on this last layer without the glow, use the tween option once again, and add in all those more layers. This is going to look like a lot of layers to you, but let's watch the effect it gives. See that? Simple glowing effect. This does not have to just be used on text. This can obviously be used on anything, really, which you can add a glow effect to. That goes for the lighting effect I showed you earlier too. That can also be added on objects as well, though it tends to look best on text. You can experiment with what kinds of brushes you use. Let's say, for example, for the lighting effect, I want. I know. The lighting effect, I want to. Oh, as well as with the lighting effect, you could also use like another picture to go through the letters. It's the same exact sequence. Put it over here. Make a new frame. Drag it over to the right. Clipping mask. Tween. Simple as that. But just to give you a little example. I'm gonna open something here. Let's take something simple. This. Take this over there. Just drag it. Alright, that's obviously very big, so Control T, make it smaller. Like that. Alright. Stupid lighting effect. Anywho, now let's create a new frame. Move it over here. Create clipping mask. It's weird. Wait a moment here. You know, actually I'm going to start over completely because I don't want all these damn frames here. There we go. Anywho. Let's go. Drag. Drop. Make it smaller. Over here. That picture's in the right spot, but we went over here in this picture. Alright. Create clipping mask. Tween. As you can see, it goes right through the text. I recommend lowering the opacity a bit though, but I believe that's about it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you found use of this tutorial, though it may have been a bit sloppy. I still believe I showed all the main points. So I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your day.